Hello, I got a set of old keyless locks. Some of them were classics, like this. I picked this classic. I also picked this classic. No problem with this. Then there was two other classics. I also picked this. I have not done keys for this yet. Then there was also some profile locks. This was no problem to pick. These were interesting ones. These were not too trivial to pick. First I managed accidentally to pick this one. This is profile. I didn't know that there is even this kind of profile old locks available. So first I managed to pick this. Then I also managed to pick this one. No, this one, but this one. Quite old looking lock. And this I have not yet managed to pick. This is very hard to turn. I think I need to do something for this in order to be able to pick this. Okay, so there was one special thing. Okay, this was very rusty. Most rustiest I have maybe seen so far, but managed to pick. There was some special thing with this profile. So okay, first special thing was that it's profile, and then other special thing was that the last disc or rear disc is not zero cut. So let's try to pick this one. So lock is here. This is some random key, not able to open. It's locked. First I insert the pick, pay attention and then turn all discs. Alright. I don't have key blank now at the moment with me, so I need to do it one disc at a time like this. See if everything is nicely set, then I can pick out from. Okay, there's also some open space behind the key in the lock, so it's able to turn too much, so I take it a bit back so that it's in the rear disc, and then let's start. No very good feeling yet. Oops. Okay, now it's nicely. Maybe there. There's a lot of free space, maybe some master key. This is second last. Nicely. Okay. It's here. A bit. Okay. First is usually zero cut. Okay, now maybe everything is set, but the last disk is not zero cut, so I need to leave it out there, and then with the picking tip turn last disk to the gate. Maybe there. Then if I tension from the second last disk, it opens. A bit dirty look. So I didn't know that there exists this kind of classic profiles, these old ones, and I think there is written Abloy here. And I didn't know that these locks can have last disk, not zero cut, so you cannot use that to open the lock. And okay, this one similar. There was also problem with the last disk, Oreo disk, it was not zero cut. This one I have not yet been able to figure out. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.